My friends, if you're ever in Las Vegas and looking for a change of pace, maybe you want to slow things down for the afternoon, then you got to come check out the Pinball Hall of Fame, located on the South Strip, close to the Mandalay Bay. Now, you're not going to win a jackpot here, but you will find a lot of games and you will have a lot of fun while sitting and enjoying the air conditioning and reliving your childhood. Well, reliving your childhood if you're an old fart like me. The Pinball Hall of Fame has one of the largest collections of pinball machines and arcade games in the world. The 25,000 square foot establishment has about 700 machines ranging from the 1950s to the 1990s, and all of the machines are available for you to play, not just look at, with prices ranging from just a quarter to 50 cents. The Pinball Hall of Fame is a not-for-profit corporation and a registered 501c3, with proceeds going to the Salvation Army. They are open to the public every day of the week from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. with free admission and parking. They're located on the Strip across from the Welcome to Las Vegas sign and Mandalay Bay.